American National Government students, I want to talk to you about my credentials a little bit and just explain why I'm teaching this course. I have a master's degree in history and a bachelor's degree in history, and I taught U.S. history for a number of years down in Texas. But at some point I got, and it wasn't the 2016 election per se, but it was around that time that I just, the intersection of my interest in politics and political history specifically sort of spurred me to further that education. So my master's research project for my history degree was about a politician. And it was recent political history. He was a politician from my district back when I was a kid. So I dug into his congressional papers and wrote like an 80-page paper, a thesis paper. It's been published in a couple of different places. I've written multiple versions of it. And it is political history, and I've always been drawn to politics too. My degree is in history, but I keep getting drawn into the study of American politics, conservative politics specifically. So I went back to school. I went online like you are right now, and I did 18 graduate credit hours in political science from Sul Ross State University. So for 1 year straight, I was teaching U.S. history and then learning political science in the evening so I could teach this course specifically. I've been teaching it now for, I think, about 3 years, since 2016. What else? I think I've got about 8 years of teaching experience, quite a bit of it online now, face-to-face for the first 6 years, but almost exclusively online since then. I'm a big proponent of these Z-degree classes. I really like using an OER, an open educational resource for the class. I like making students not have to purchase a textbook. In the age of digital literacy, what's more critical in the information age than just, enforcing that or embracing that? And these courses have been designed with that in mind. If you look below, you'll see like a student bill of rights, my rules of engagement. Think of these, and especially in this American National Government course, as something akin to sort of a constitution. So we have something like the syllabus, right? And that's one aspect. Think of that, I guess, as the Constitution. But why we're here, right? And what's behind me? Yeah, that is the Bill of Rights behind me, actually. Before the Constitution was written, we had a Declaration of Independence. We had other documents, even very earlier, I think in the colonial period, like the Albany Plan or the Mayflower Compact. Our ideology is sort of set before the Constitution. So what's beneath me is sort of my ideology, what rights you have in this course and my expectations of you in this course. There are other supporting documents like rubrics, but if we're thinking about this like American National Government, these are components of my course. These are critical, just as critical as the syllabus is your rights and my expectations. And so you'll find that below. Hope that was informative. Thank you.